Hello, we're Pulte Insurance Agency, and we'd like to give you something incredibly valuable: peace of mind. Really, isn't that what homeowners insurance is all about? And we feel that no one can better deliver it than Pulte Insurance Agency. Absolutely. We're part of the Pulte Group family and work closely with them to ensure a convenient and smooth closing process. And that makes things all the more streamlined for you. We have all the data and details on your home, so we can provide you the most accurate quote. Let's say you're making changes to the standard floor plan, and you decide to add a media room, or change the dining room into a 4-season porch, or attach a mother-in-law suite. We'll just adjust our coverage amounts and premium quickly and send revised quotes, so there are never any surprises at your closing. We represent many highly rated AM Best rated insurance companies, working with them to get you rates often not available anywhere else. Our pricing is simple, transparent, and straightforward. And since we assure appropriate coverage at the best rate now, there are no surprises at renewal time. We offer a wide array of products and can help you bundle coverages like car insurance, so you get the best pricing possible. 87% of our customers stay with us year after year, and we currently service more than 60,000 policyholders and help to get the insurance that's just right for them. Find out more today. Give us a call or visit us online at pulteinsurance.com.